y'all? Okay, so I have to share something with y'all today. I have a very exciting thing happening. That is one of the major reasons why we moved, why we got this house, and that is so my son can grow and develop in his gardening and his farming, because that's what he loves so much. I'm out of breath because he just got here. So let me show y'all something. Garden beds. My baby's garden beds are here today. No, I'm wrong. Oh, it's good. Okay. Perfect. Yes. So this is them bringing the second one in. When I tell you, I'm about to cry. I'm so excited. If y'all know my journey, where we started and where we are now in this house, my first time buying a house, moved from Atlanta. If you just your first time watching me, moved from Atlanta, moved outside of Charlotte because I didn't want to be in the city, moved to Rock Hill, South Carolina, and where do I fucking begin? I feel like I told the story so much. I wanted a slower paced life. I have been wanting to buy a house. I needed to do a whole episode on my podcast about buying this house and that whole process. But we bought a house here, and the whole point was have a yard. That's part of the point, but that was a huge thing, was for us to have a yard. This is like stage one of my yard. There's so much work to be done. I've never even posted my yard before because I wanted to look so much better, but I don't even give a fuck because we got a fucking yard. So now they're putting the beds over there because that's where he wants to have his everything grown, and that's it. That's it. We have a yard and we have garden beds, and the garden beds are so important and so special because they mark. Let me tell y'all 1 second. This them bringing it through. But us having these garden beds is so important because it really marks this whole everything. This house is because what I wanted for Vincent. And y'all know how I feel about my son now, and the things I wanted him to experience that would uplift him, grow him, nurture him. And I always have felt so bad because my son is an outside person. He loves being outside. He loves being like anything got to do with dirt and grass and wood and rocks. He loves it, including plants. And I've always felt so bad because I could not give that to him because of my consistent underemployment, poor money management, lack of planning, all rooted in my own wounding and my own feelings of worthlessness. Y'all already know how that goes. So these garden beds are more than garden beds. They are really a part of a dream come true. And I just wanted to share that with y'all about staying in it. This has been a 10-year game healing my mother wound, right? And for us to be in our own house, in our backyard, with his garden beds coming in, it means everything. It is everything. Okay, look at there. When I tell you my son is going to be thrilled at this, I gotta take a picture and send it to him, even though he's in school. Listen, and this direct TV, I need to get this. It's so funny. When I bought this house, I didn't even notice that was there. And now I'm like, first of all, who even still had direct TV antenna? But anyway, this is before. Everything y'all see in this yard now is a part of the before. It's a part of the before. And y'all are gonna be here for the after. Just wait till summertime how it's gonna look. But these beds, I'm gonna call this our dream garden, because to have a dream, oh God, here we go. You have a seed that you have to plant, and you have to water, and you have to nurture, but you have to have a container to put your dream in. And these beds are those containers. That's what they represent. What I have planned in my dreams for myself and for Vincent in. And I'm ecstatic I'm ecstatic. I'm so happy. So I'm gonna talk to y'all a little later. Remember, I was gonna see if he would let me video him the big reveal of the garden beds. He kind of gave me consent, so we're about to go outside and see. Yeah, let's go, Brody. I like it. All right, it's dark out here, so.
Oh, these are nice. These are incredible.
I know y'all can't barely see. Y'all like.
She did a great job. I can't even lie. She did a great job.
You happy?
I'm ecstatic. She is wonderful.
She is wonderful.
Yeah, I wanted to see how the spacing was in between, just in case I had to like lay like maybe something down, just like a thin mesh with a lot of holes, just
right.
so none of the dirt came out. But I should probably be fine. Yeah. This one is real. This is nice.
Yeah, it's wide, right?
Yeah, so then we can trim all of these and I can put the cuttings in there on the bottom.
Right. All right, let's go back inside. So on a scale of 1 to 10, how is it? How were they?
Definitely a 10.
A 10?
They're wonderful. Professional. I'm so excited for when they get to it. That's going to be perfect. I'm going to order my tarp off Amazon and then should be set.
Yeah, that'll be it. All right, that's it for the night. That was the big reveal. He's happy, so y'all know I'm happy. Y'all already know. I want to see the garden beds in the morning so he can really see.
I didn't know that was a rose. I told you that
I don't feel like that's not a rose, bro.
No, these are roses.
Bro, that's not a rose. I can take a picture of it and show you in Google that it's not a rose.
All the petals fell off.
A who?
The petals fell off.
That's not a rose, bro. That's how it started. They're still leaving, though. I don't like those. Yeah, they are real. They're too scraggly. So now he is in a mode of contemplation. What are you thinking about?
So I might line these up here. So I'll put one here, one here, one here, one here. And so I'll just have the 4 of them right here. Because this area gets a good amount of sunlight and it's somewhat flat. But I might move them over a little bit because the shade might block some light.
But there's good sunlight where they are.
No, but the fence, that one right, them closer ones.
I mean, you can still rearrange this because
in the house too. Because when you come over here like during the day, it's not that bright.
I be out here. Yes, it is.
In this corner.
Mm-hmm. If we take that direct TV out and cut this bush all the way back, you would have a whole bed, and you actually could add. You could push them. I will check the sun today. I'll send you pictures. I'll take pictures at different times. But if through here with that bush cut back too, you could do a lot in this area. And I still want the shed gone.
And so if I cut these back, can I just dig that up? I just pull it out the ground?
Yeah, you just pull it out the ground. Not right now. You know it's almost time for you to go to school. Okay. Do you? Okay, you about to put. Okay, so he's gonna pull it out the ground now.
Can you pull it?
I don't know, bro. I haven't tried. That's not outside of my purview. You don't want to embarrass yourself on camera?
On the internet, it's there forever.
He love being strong. So now we have another project. We just came out here to look at the garden beds, and now Hulkamania wants to pull the satellite dish out of the ground now, this morning, before he goes to school. Can't believe that boy can't get it out. Oh, bro, you're not. No, I'm not carrying you. Stop now. Stop. For you gonna be in the ground. Stop.
When you want to pour this from?
I know, but that was yesterday. But usually you say, "Oh, I'm tired. I'm tired." I guess the shenanigans just happen anytime because it's 8 o'clock in the morning. He's already stop. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. That's all I have to say right now. I'll be back. I'm about to drink my tea and go take a walk. Well, I'm gonna drink which I'm gonna do first. I'm gonna drink some tea and then take a walk. Maybe I'll journal a little first too. Stop eating those goddamn marshmallows. You wanted to make s'mores. You wanted s'mores. Let this be on the internet forever. Why you even eating marshmallows first thing in the morning? They're not gonna. When you come back, they're not gonna be there. All that's gonna be moved somewhere else. It's not gonna be there when you get back, bro. It's not. I don't like you either. How about that? You may be young, but you're ready to give the world a chance. Yes, every day. Is it like this every day? It's like this every day. It is. Every day. So when I was talking about tea, this is my morning tea routine. I use mate. This is what I drink every morning. It doesn't matter the brand. Does it have it on here? I don't know if you can see it. Yerba mate. It's a South American, like from like a tree in South America. It comes from like the bark of the tree. It's kind of got properties of coffee from the sense that it has like, it's not caffeine, but it's caffeine-like. But it's also got a lot of vitamins and nutrients in it. And I have the loose, this is just a bag of loose tea. This is cheaper. Loose tea always gonna be cheaper. But I brought this back from, I brought this back from Atlanta because I go to Namde Moon, the little international grocery store, which I have not found here in definitely not in Rock Hill or in Charlotte. I have not found that. I need it. I need an international grocery store. So I put it in my French press, and the water cannot boil. I'm gonna put some information up on the screen about the nutrients for yerba mate, but you don't want the water to boil because it burns the tea. And then instead of putting the tea in like a little ball, I have those too. Y'all know the little balls, the little tea ball. Putting it in here is a hassle, and some of it still gets out. So I just put it in my French press, which is what I use when I brew coffee, which I haven't had in a long time. I put it in here. I add lemon. I add agave. And the secret weapon is, I already added this in here. This is the secret weapon. This is fresh turmeric and ginger and one whole lemon, the rind and everything. So I put this in a blender and blend it up. And I use probably, I would say, that much ginger. I eyeball it, but I've been doing it so long. And then I use fresh turmeric. You can get here. You have turmeric at Harris Teeter, which I'm super surprised at. But maybe I'll show y'all how I do that too when this goes bad. Because not goes bad. When I finish this will probably last 2 weeks, maybe. This will last about 2 weeks. But I do a really big spoonful of this in here. And this is my morning concoction. Let's taste it. And this is my affirmation cup. This is it's probably backwards right now how y'all are seeing it. This is my, what I say, like I say affirmations in general. This is my lead affirmation right here. Everything is always working out for me. This is in my cup every morning. This is what I'm drinking. This is what I'm believing. This is what I'm knowing. This is what I'm manifesting. This is what the evidence is saying all the time, even when I don't know it, even when I don't see it. everything is always working out for me, because everything is always working out for me, and everything is working out for you. Everything is working out for you. Everything is always working out for you. Say that. Start to say it. I don't care what the situation is. Start saying, everything is always working out for me. You don't need to say what the working out is. You don't have to say what it looks like, or this is the condition, and if he would do, period. Universe knows more than you what you need. And it's always more than what you could ever ask for yourself. Everything is always working out for me. And I know it. Everything is. If I say it enough, I just sit here and just start to meditate on that, like everything is always working out for me, I will bust out crying, because it's like, oh my God, damn. I be thinking about small and big ways things have worked out in my favor. Even when they happened, I was mad, I was hurt, felt betrayed, all that shit. I'm like, damn, that was working out for me all this time. That set that up for this to happen. Da, 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 da. Everything is always working out for me. So this is my morning tea. Now he has stuff he's supposed to take. I already took mine this morning. Sea moss that I make also. I make this. You got to take your sea moss, all your stuff. That's why I took it out for you to have. Since he has asthma, I got him some tincture, respiratory, lung health, and mullein. He just started taking both of these. Mullein is very good for lung health, people with asthma. And then he's got trace minerals, which I take that too, which adds the minerals. Your body needs minerals. Okay, we used to get minerals through natural water, but now our water goes through a system and then takes all the stuff we don't want, sewage and all type of toxins out of the water, but it also strips the water of minerals, natural things found in the ground. So we have to figure out a way to replace those things. So I just got this the other day. This is trace minerals, and it had a lot of really good reviews. So now we're on that. I was just using salt first, iodized salt. And the reason you like minerals and iodized salt in your water is because it lifts the absorption rate of the water. If you're drinking water, just straight water, bottled water, tap water, whatever, spring water, your body is not absorbing it to the max. That's why you pee so much. So you got to get something in the water so your body can absorb the water and you can actually become hydrated, because you can drink a lot of water but you're not really hydrated. So that's my lesson for the day. I know y'all didn't ask for that, but hey, it is what it is. So again, this might be the end of this video. I might be back a little later. We shall see. But I'll talk to y'all. Bye.